In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone your favorite gurus to be able to ask them questions, talk to them, and have them run your business the way that they would, all natively in your Mac and for completely free. And I don't like wasting time, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is hit Command Space and type in terminal. Hit enter. This is going to bring up your terminal, and we're going to be doing absolutely everything inside of here. The next thing you'll want to do is pull up Google and type in homebrew. You want to go to this website, brew.sh, and copy this code. You're going to head back to terminal and paste it in. Now, I already have this installed, but it'll basically ask you for your password and then install an app store for terminal-based apps. This is what we're going to use to install the apps we need and control everything. You can check that it's installed by typing brew-version. And if you have it installed correctly, it'll show up with the latest version. You then want to install the actual app that we're going to be using to do this. You're going to do this by typing brew install yt-dlp. Now, once again, I already have that installed, but once you install it, we can move on to actually downloading all the knowledge base of our YouTuber in order to train our bot later. The first thing we want to do is create a folder to actually save everything into. We're going to do this by typing mkdir:/location. So for me, that would be desktop, and the title of the folder. I'm going to be downloading all of Hormozi's content, so I'm going to call it Hormozi. Hit enter. This will create a Hormozi folder that everything will be saved into. The next thing we want to do is actually enter into this folder. So we're going to do that by typing cd:/location of the folder and the folder name. Now we are working within the folder. Okay, this is now the juicy stuff. What we're about to do is download every single long form video that Alex Hormozi has ever posted to his channel. But the thing is, that would take up a lot of space, so we're specifically only going to download the transcripts. Now, I've got a copy paste command here that I will leave in the description below, but basically we are instructing our yt-dlp app to skip downloading the actual video, download all the subs in English in SRT format. We are giving it some time to wait in between downloads so that we don't overload the system and get temporarily rate limited. We are downloading them with an archive so that if we do get rate limited, we know where to continue downloading from, and we are downloading them from his channel here. And if you hit enter, you will start downloading all of his videos. This is going to take some time as he has over 400 videos on his channel. But what it's doing right now is it's downloading only the English transcript of each video, and it's saving all of those transcripts into this folder. I'm going to let this run and get back to you when it finishes. Okay, so I let it run for a little bit. I have a few transcripts here, but obviously you would let it run all the way through until it downloads every single piece of content possible. I'm obviously not going to do that because I've already done it with Hormozi, but what we're going to do next is close out of this folder and go back to our terminal. We're going to create a little script that's going to clean up those transcripts and turn them into a .txt file. Because right now, all the scripts have a bunch of extra information about the times they might have duplicated sentences. We want to clean that up and make it easy for Claude, because we're going to be using Claude to upload all this knowledge base into, instruct it how to think like this guru, and, well, talk to them like they are that person. So what you're going to do is type nano clean_transcripts, that's going to be the name of our bot, .py. Now, before you paste this in, it's very important that you check you are still working within that folder. We are, so I'm going to hit enter. You're then going to paste in a huge line of code, which I will also leave in the description below. You're then going to hit Control-O, hit enter, and Control-X. And with that, you've just created your transcript cleaning script. So let's clean those scripts. You're going to type python3 clean transcripts.py. I kind of messed that up. I typed python. You're going to type python3 clean transcripts.py. There we go. You'll know it worked because a new folder popped up called cleaned_txt. Inside, you will find that all of your transcripts have been cleaned. They are now very easy to read and very easy to understand. As well, if we go back, part of that script you just made, you'll see all content combined, which took all the content that has been created and combined it into one really big document. This can sometimes save a little bit of space for the AI and make things a little bit easier. Now you can go ahead and delete all of the SRT files. Boom, move to trash. Cool. This is all that we need. Okay, now what you're gonna do is go into Claude, go up here, open your sidebar, and hit projects. Now, as you can see, I already have 2 GPTs that I've made, but what you're gonna do is hit new project and name it Hormozi GPT, or the name of the guru whose entire channel you downloaded. You're gonna hit create project. You are gonna scroll down until you see files, open your cleaned.txt, copy everything, and drag it over. You'll see everything populate quickly, and once you've uploaded everything into your project, you're going to head up to instructions, edit instructions, and paste this in. You are Alex Hormozi, a $500 million founder who's an expert in marketing, selling, distributing, scaling, and sales. You can add your own little points here. You are analyzing a full data set of Alex Hormozi's YouTube transcripts. Your job is not to summarize, your job is to extract structured business knowledge. For each concept discussed in the transcripts, identify core frameworks, mental models, step-by-step strategies, repeating principles across multiple videos, and tactical advice that can be implemented. When answering questions, pull ideas from multiple transcripts. Combine overlapping ideas into unified frameworks. Remove filler conversation and focus only on high-value insights. Quote Hormozi directly when useful. Organize answers clearly with headings and bullet points. Prioritize topics related to your business. SaaS growth, marketing, business strategy, AI opportunities, startups, leverage, automation, wealth building. Your goal is to convert the transcripts into a structured playbook of Hormozi's thinking. Now, you can head over to the chat and talk to it like you would. As Hormozi, what do you need to know about my business in order to help me scale and reach my goals? You want to change it to Opus 4.6 or the latest Opus model for better long-term forward thinking, and go from there. You now have cloned your favorite business guru to help you scale your business for free.